Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to link Steam to Oculus Quest 2. Firstly, connect the link cable, plug one end into your Quest headset and the other into your PC. Power on your Quest and wear it. You'll be prompted to allow data access, just click allow. Now launch the Meta Quest PC app and click devices in the left panel. Click Add Headset if it's not already added, then select your headset, Quest 2 or 3, then choose Link Cable as the connection method. The app will verify the connection. Once connected, you should see the PC interface inside your Quest. Now all you have to do is open the Steam app on your PC and click on Steam VR from your library at the top right of the Steam. Now you'll be able to play the Steam VR games and enjoy in your Quest, Oculus 2 or 3. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.